Well, I tell you what, I had trouble breathing. I had fatigue. I didn't feel good, so I went into the hospital over there, and then the PA said, "Well, let's do some checking up on you." And they took an echocardiogram, and they come up and say, "You got a valve that's not working good." But nothing went wrong. Everything went good. A couple of days later, I felt like $1 million. It's unbelievable just how quickly I got over this valve that's not pumping enough blood. And the procedure was just something else. That's the reason I'm here now. I want to thank everybody that helped me there, put the whole thing together. Without the whole team working, it just amazing when everybody working together what they can do, and they did it on me.